This is an example of integrating Google Voice with calling an AI chatbot. I'm going to list, first of all, this file name, my video, today's date, and today's time, dash today's time, and then MPEG. And the account name is One USA Chatbot. So I want to copy to the clipboard buffer, Control C, so I can log into the account and demonstrate how it works with calling 800 Chat GPT. I'm going to open up an account here, then scroll down to see whether I could add another account. At the very end, add another account, and then scroll to the bottom again, use another account. And this will eventually develop into an algorithm for automation, AI automation. But for now, I just want to log in and make an outbound call. So, first of all, I have to go to review my messages, mark all of them for deletion, and then keep two of them that I sent to myself, so to speak. The rest of them I want to delete. And then I want to navigate to Google Voice to make an outbound call to 800 Chat GPT. And notice how when I place it in the outbound call, it automatically converted to the digits that the word chat GPT represents. And this is called the vanity number, a number that can be expressed in letters and words and forms words like chat that are dictionary words, and also a name of a company, and also mentions the domain name, chatgpt.com, for example. So I'm going to paste it inside this field here. Try to make an outbound call to ChatGPT. For some reason, I don't hear that it is responding. Unmute. It doesn't seem like ChatGPT is responding at all. Why it doesn't work? Go to another computer or do something else to make GPT reply. Or it may be that it is overloaded, so I'll do it again later. For now, I'm going to make up a file name that includes the message of this activity, saying that this number will not expire 30 days. Well, maybe also because it is overloaded. So I want to add also the video file name to the file name that I'm creating now. Then have a prefix with a Google subfolder. So I'm scrolling down to find the Google subfolder. Voice subfolder, here it is. Copy and paste it as a prefix, Control V. Now I got the complete file name. Copy and file, save as, and paste it on my file name field of the Save As dialog box. And click the Save button. And now I want to navigate to the Drive and upload it to Drive. So I want to select New and Folder Upload, and then paste it in with Control V, but delete the file. I want to keep only the subfolder of Google Voice, the path, and that's it. So it will upload the entire subfolder, then click again on the upload button, and if it comes back, I want to retain both folders because I'm using different computers and I want to have a complete record. And it tells me that I have 35, so I'm going to go back and mark it with an X in front, and then after that put in 35. To be sure, I'm going to scroll a little bit to the left to make it visible. Definitely 35. At this point, I'm ready to save it in yet another file, and that is a backup and recovery algorithm, grandfather, father, son. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'll try to make a subfolder that contains the prefix of the file. So I'm going to the document subfolder instead of Google Voice, and then new folder, paste the existing one, and then delete the extra prefix that is irrelevant in this case. So it will start with one USA chatbot followed by the number, and that will be the subfolder. The rest of it I don't need to include it in the subfolder name. Then double click to get inside, and then copy it and paste it. Control C to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it at the beginning. Control V and backslash. Close. Copy to the clipboard buffer before I save it. And now that I've done that, I'm going to paste it here in my notes, Control V, and now upload this subfolder also to Drive. So I'll go back to Drive, to the top of the file here if I can. Oh, yeah, I need to go to the right here to press the plus folder upload. And then I'm going to paste the folder, the subfolder, and remove the file name. So just the subfolder will remain. So I delete the file name just to keep the subfolder, then press enter once and enter again to upload, and then click on the upload button one time, and then keep both a second time and upload. And then I can see that it is going to send some message 1 of 1. So I'm typing the number 1 at the end and also insert the X before the C to mark that that is done, and then file save. And in this manner, I'm going to check now another folder to see if I have other folders that need to be dealt with. So I'll go with Google. Change also Google Voice. Change from this to Dr. S. Rice. Okay, so this is just file save. Or continue any further. The next Google Voice that has an issue is this one with job realty. Want to copy this message. Control C to copy to the clipboard and then make another entry in this folder that starts with braces, open braces, the message Control V, couple of blanks, and then close braces. Delete this one message here that it will expire within 30 days, and then copy to the clipboard buffer and log into it. Count here. See if we can change. Add another account. Don't want to do anything else right now. Now that I'm in, I want to log into this account. So I copy to the clipboard buffer, navigate to Drive, Drive, to 800 ChatGPT, and then I see if it will work this time. Copy, and I will enter one dash at the beginning. Outbound call now. Let's see if it works.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant.
Help me figure out what can I do about the USA chatbot. I want to make a company that specializes in USA chatbot AI. What's what strategy sh- what strategy should I use? My main goal for the company is to generate other companies that starts with a vanity phone number that specializes in AI in a certain area. For example, job realty for real estate, but electronic real estate job offering. What do you think? Right now, I'm forming the file name for this one job realty. Take the path of Google Voice and copy it to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it as a prefix to the new file name. I'm basically working on generating an algorithm for making outbound calls to a chatbot to comply with the Google Voice requirement to use it or else lose the phone number. I wanted to paste it at the beginning and by mistake I pasted it at the end. Okay, so now I formed the complete file name with the prefix of the path to the Google Voice account. I edit it and copy to the clipboard buffer and then file, save as this file name and click the save. And now that I saved it, I'm ready to upload it to Drive. So I'm selecting the Drive icon and then +1 folder upload. And then I'll paste the folder name at the very bottom, the subfolder name, and then delete everything past the subfolder name. So I have only the Google Voice path at the folder input and enter and press the enter key once and a second time and then click on the upload option of the upload 36 files to this site. And now watch it scroll to the right. I want to keep both folders. Then I want to scroll to the right to see that it is 36. So immediately after that, I'm going to type the number 36 and place an X in front of the C colon to know that this job was done already. And the next one is I want to save it in its own file. So that will be file, save as again. But I want to make this as a subfolder of the document subfolder. So I select new and then Control V and remove anything that is not needed, which is the prefix and the suffix. Delete them, and then in addition to that, I don't need this extra space that I can delete also, and then double click it, get in there, Control C to copy to the clipboard buffer, then insert it at the beginning of the file name with Control V and backslash. Now I got a complete string made up of a prefix with a file name and a suffix of the file name itself. So the prefix contains the path to one job eRealty. And I select the save command to save it. Then go back to my notes to paste it with Control V. And now I want to upload it to the Google Drive. So I'm clicking on the plus sign again and folder upload. Then paste it with Control V. Delete and then enter one time. Press the enter key once and then the enter key twice. Oops. I realized that I have to cancel it because the folder is empty. So there's nothing to upload. It seems like it didn't save it properly, so I want to copy the string again. Control C and file save as. See if it didn't work for some reason. No, it is there. So why wouldn't it show up? Cancel. So I must have done something wrong. So I click new and folder upload. Because it has not been refreshed. Maybe this is the reason. Then delete everything else and press the enter key once and the enter key the second time. And if this doesn't work, click upload and upload again. Let's see what it says now. It says 1, which is fine. So it was just simply not updated. Okay, and then file save. Okay. Notice how I got 36 folder now and before I had 35 folders. So after every operation like that, it adds another folder to the list of folders. I'm going to take a little break now and then come back later on. So in the meantime, I want to save this and stop the recording.